Master 15 mind-blowing mechanical systems in one go. Cam and sign mechanisms. They use an irregular disc to create motion. It drives parts up and down as it spins. The shape of the cam determines how it moves. The quick return mechanism moves parts back and forth, but faster in one direction and slower in the other. It's all in the clever structure design. One way fast, the other slow, boosting efficiency while saving effort. The skew crank rocker converts rotary force into a wobbly back and forth swing, like shaking a handle with a tilted hand. The swing's amplitude and rhythm are controlled by the angled crank. The spherical slider crank mechanism uses a ball-shaped slider that can rotate and slide to convert rotation into linear motion. It's like a ball head pushing and spinning at once, both agile and stable. The internal gear mechanism has a small gear spinning inside a large one, with teeth engaged on both sides. It's compact and runs quietly, like gear-on-gear action. The worm gear uses a screw-like worm shaft to drive a gear. It spins freely on its own, but it's nearly impossible to reverse the motion. It's naturally one way only. The spherical crank mechanism spins within a spherical range. It's a curved crank, and the motion isn't just flat circles, but arcs that twist through 3D space. Perfect for complex spatial movements. The hyperboloid gear system features a gear pair with hyperbolic-shaped teeth locked together. It transmits high torque at wide angles smoothly. It's quiet and fluid in motion, great for transferring power between crossed shafts. This includes 20,000 sets of mechanical design blueprints, plus SolidWorks 3D models, ready to use and edit. Designers, check out the storefront if you're interested. The spherical Geneva mechanism reinvents the traditional Geneva structure. As a spherical rotating pin, it pushes a slotted ball to rotate, creating start-stop intermittent motion. The spherical drive mechanism uses a part that rotates freely on a spherical surface to transfer power from one direction to another. It moves flexibly and precisely, just like a joint that moves in all directions. Pick-and-place mechanism. It's like the hand of a robotic arm. It grips objects firmly and places them precisely where needed. Perfect for handling and moving tasks. The right-angle coupling mechanism redirects power from one direction to a vertical direction, helping machines make turns. It enables a smooth 90-degree power transfer. The spatial joint mechanism is a multi-axis joint for machines. It lets parts move in multiple directions in 3D space. It bends and twists like a human shoulder, super flexible. The lift platform mechanism is a mechanical system for raising and lowering platforms. It helps raise or lower objects easily. Basically, it's a support frame that moves up and down. The worm and gear mechanism uses a screw-like worm shaft to spin the gear precisely. Power transmission is steady, and it provides massive speed reduction. Also, it only moves in one direction. Isn't that absolutely amazing?